This video will be covering the installation process for the Aeratron AE3 Plus LED light kit. This guide may be applicable to the installation of other Aeratron ceiling fans. For any questions or concerns, please reach out and contact Aeratron with the link in the description. At Aeratron, your safety and experience with our product is of the utmost priority. For any reason during the installation process you are unsure or questioning the process, please consult a professional. This guide is intended for the use of installation in the United States. Alright, let's get familiar with the parts we will need for this upgrade. First, our sleek lower hub. Next, the LED driver. Notice the sticker calling out the correct places to connect it. The LED light, paying close attention to the pins to make sure that they are nice and straight. And finally, the hub screws. Next, before getting started, let's turn off the electricity at the main power box. Now that the power has been turned off to the fan, hold and push the fan blades while loosening the lock screw and pulling out the pivot lock. Remove the fan blades and place them in a safe place out of the way for now. Press the 3 tabs to release the motor housing cover. Gently pull down and expose the motor and receiver. Set it to the side. Next, let's install the LED driver. Taking notice of the 2-pin connectors from the receiver and the 2-pin connector for the motor. Once your connections are correct and secure, tuck away the wires using the built-in hook-shaped brackets. Now let's carefully place your fan blades on a large enough surface where we can safely unscrew the lower hub. Once all the screws are loose, you should be able to slide out the old hub and carefully place the new LED hub in its place, lining it up with the screw guides. You'll notice when it's properly aligned. Using your hands, carefully feel around to make sure the housing is sitting flush in its correct location. Open your new bag of screws and begin securing the new LED hub to the fan blades. Try not to tighten all the screws until you have ensured the hub is sitting flush. You may use an electric screwdriver on the low torque setting, but be very careful not to strip the housing in the process. Do not use an impact. Carefully slide the fan motor housing back over the motor, being careful not to catch or pinch any wires. All 3 tabs should lock into place, securing the housing. Next, carefully lift the fan blades to align the opening with the screw hole. Slide the pivot lock in. It may take some wiggling and is a secure fit. Press the pivot lock all the way in and tighten it to secure the fan blades. Installing the LED may take some patience, so you do not bend the pins. Line up the 2 pins of the LED light with the 2 holes in the ceramic holder on the fan motor. Gently press the light up until the safety clips engage. Finally, turn back on the main power to your ceiling fan. Grab your remote and enjoy your new upgrade. For any questions or concerns, please contact Aeratron in the description below. Thank you.